Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see Snapchat call history or find calls on Snapchat. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your Snapchat and go to your profile on your top left here. So here, what happens is that if you want to see your call history, so there is no like direct ways of that direct option to just show you just like that. But what you can do as a workaround to see your call history and those data, simply click on this settings option here on your top right. Click on your settings option and then scroll down all the way down and you will see an option called My Data. So if you click on My Data, this will generate and populate all the data, which includes your call history or your call details, everything. So it will generate this and send you as a file to your email. So simply make sure it's all ticked or all selected. So hit on next, and then what you have to do is simply select your email address and hit on submit, and then it will send all this data to your email address, and that's how you can view your call details from that data. And that's the current workaround we have, as there is no direct ways to see call history. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.